Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create a form in WPForms. First, ensure you have the WPForms plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. Once active, locate the WPForms menu within your WordPress dashboard, typically found on the left-hand side. Click on Add New to launch the form builder and start crafting your very first form. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments to initiate. After clicking Add New, you'll be presented with options to select a pre-built template, such as a simple contact form or a newsletter sign-up. Alternatively, you can begin with a blank form for complete customization. On the left, you'll find a wide array of fields. Simply drag and drop the fields you need, like name, email, or a text area, directly onto your form preview on the right. With your fields in place, it's time to customize them. Click on any field in your form preview to open its individual settings. Here, you can change the field label, add a description, or mark it as a required field. Next, navigate to the Settings tab to configure global form options, including email notifications for submissions and the confirmation message users see after submitting. Once your form is perfectly designed and configured, remember to click the Save button in the top right corner. To display your form on your website, you have several options. You can use the WPForms block in the WordPress editor, insert a shortcode into any page or post, or add it via a widget in your sidebar. Finally, publish your page or post to make your new form live for visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.